Let's go across to Ishika, NDTV's Ishika now, who joins us from the international airport in Delhi. And Ishika, what are you hearing there? How long will it take for things to get under control? We're seeing visuals of a lot of passengers waiting. All the airlines have put out statements as well.
Well, as you rightly mentioned, this time it is certainly a global outage from, from the side of the Microsoft, and I'm currently present at the T3 airport. Now, first, we'd like to show you the visuals that we are getting from here. You can see that there are several display screens, that certainly have gone blank because of, because of being affected due to the Microsoft's problem. Now, you can see, it's written there, recovery. We'll try to, get to some of the people here to talk with us. हम आपसे जानना चाहेंगे, यहाँ पे आके अक्सर लोग देखते हैं, अपना आप भी देख रहे होंगे अपने फ्लाइट्स, ऐसे में अचानक से ये पूरी जो स्क्रीन है वो ब्लैंक हो जाना, परेशानी हो रही है आपको?
ऑफ कोर्स ये इट्स अ पैनिक मोमेंट. सो अगर डिस्प्ले नहीं होगा टाइम से और हम लोग देख नहीं पाएंगे तो ऑफ कोर्स वो प्रॉब्लम तो रहेगा.
आप भी यहाँ पर आए होंगे ये फ्लाइट्स एंड ऑल देखने के लिए, एंड हम देख रहे हैं कि काफ़ी सारे जो स्क्रीन्स हैं उसे डेटा जा चुका है, तो काफ़ी मुश्किलें आ रही हैं.
जी वो तो है ही. अब क्या ही बताया, अब जो और भी कुछ फ्लाइट्स आने वाले हैं वो भी यहाँ नहीं दिखा रहे हैं. ये तो बहुत परेशानी वाली बात है आम जनता के लिए.
So certainly, people here are saying that they are facing a lot of difficulty. Now first, let me show you some more visuals that we are getting you from the T3 airport. Now, this is the area where you can print your boarding pass. Now, let me show our viewers what we are getting to know here. Here also, it is certainly not operational because of being impacted. You can see it is written, sorry, this is temporarily unavailable. So people also, facing a lot of issues here is what we are getting to know. We'll also try to go across to some of the people here. We just want to know from you, are you facing any problem while printing your boarding passes? Anyone? So certainly, people here also, you can see long queue of the passengers here. We already showed you how, in fact, the display screens at the T3 airport has also been impacted. Now, what is the statement? If we talk about the statement that has come from Microsoft, there it has been said that the configuration change in the portion of the Azure backend workloads has caused this interruption between storage and compute resources, which resulted in connectivity failures that affected downstream Microsoft 365 services dependent on these connections. But certainly after this, we are seeing that there are various flights also that are being affected. We are seeing that already, the advisories are being issued by various airlines, be it SpiceJet, be it Akasa Air, or be it Indigo. And certainly you can currently also see the visuals that we are getting you from the airports here at the Delhi airport T3, right, where in fact even the display screens are currently, there's no data that seems to be appearing here, and because of that people say that they are facing difficulty.